Magulol.
It's okay. I'm happy to see you too. Did you get Neo out?
Yes. How did you know about that?
The Oracle?
You saw her?
Just before the Sentinels found us.
What did she tell you?
The same thing she always does. Exactly what I needed to hear.
In less than 12 hours, the machines will breach the dock walls. Every simulation we've run, we've seen that once the machines are inside the city, the odds of our survival decrease dramatically. Thus, our primary objective must be to destroy or disable the diggers inside the dock. If we can do that, perhaps we can prevent them from ever reaching the city. If not, the only place we will be able to mount an effective defense will be at the entrance of the temple. It is small enough that it will force them into a bottleneck, allowing us to concentrate the remainder of our defense.
We understand that you've requested additional volunteers.
That is correct.
Precisely what size force are you planning to commit to the primary dock objective?
Right now, the entire APU Corps and half the infantry.
Half the infantry.
If it were up to me, Counselor, I'd take every man, woman, and child, put a gun in their hand, and march them straight into that dock.
Perhaps it is best that it is not up to you.
Time will tell, Counselor.
Commander, just one more question. Has there been word from the Nebuchadnezzar?
None, and at this point, there's no reason to expect that there ever will be. Perhaps. But we can hope. I'm afraid hope is an indulgence I don't have time for.
I know how you feel, Z, but you can't do this. I have to. Why? Because I love him. Love him the same as he loves me. And if I were out there and he were here, I know what he'd do. But you're gonna get yourself killed. It's crazy, Z. Maybe it is. But ask yourself if it were Dozer, you knew the only chance you had to see him again was to hold the dock. What'd you do? Make sense.
What's going on over here?
An accident, sir. I didn't see him. Sorry.
Who the hell are you?
You're a volunteer, sir.
Hard-born, pencil-neck like you doing volunteering for my corps.
I'm going to do my part, sir. We gotta hold the dock.
How old is kid?
18.
Should have said 16. I might have believed that.
Okay, I'm 16.
Minimum age for the corps is 18. 16 is too young.
Here, hell of it. They kill me just the same.
That's truth.
Give me a chance, sir. I won't let you down.
You do. You'll find me and the machines have got something in common.
Hindi lang pala City of Pines ang Baguio. Dati rin itong lungsod ng mga kabayo.
Paano naging Obama ang pangalan nito?
At teritoryo ng mga walang kinatatakutang koboy.
Paano ka nataktan ng kabayo? Jack,
Dapat yung butol sa kabila ng peligro. Pipiliin pa rin ng ilan ang buhay na ito.
Yung ibang bata, mahilig sa basketball. Basketball, yung
Pero sa panahong halos liod na ang mga ganyan, may saysay pa bang maging Igor Cowboys? Lunes sa Eyewitness.
parang walang urge uminom. Hindi mo ba sabihin wala ka ng problema?
Si Kenneth ang magiging sandigan ni Nicole.
Bakit inuumaga ka na naman?
Meron akong konting sinalatan dun sa opening skills. Sinasabi mo bang hindi maganda yung sinulat ko?
Habang sa madilim na sandali sa buhay ni Eric.